Welcome to our automotive guide. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of your car's health, the fuel pump. Specifically, we're addressing the top symptoms of fuel pump overheating. If you're experiencing car troubles, this video is for you. Stay tuned and don't forget to check the link in the description for more detailed information. Identifying the problem. Firstly, let's understand what a fuel pump does. It's responsible for delivering gas to your engine. But what happens when it overheats? Let's find out. Symptom 1. Fuel pump feels hot. Symptom number 1. Your fuel pump feels unusually hot. This is a clear sign of overheating. Remember, it's normal for the pump to be warm, but excessive heat indicates a problem. Symptom 2. Reduced fuel economy. Next up, reduced fuel economy. If you notice your car consuming more fuel than usual, it could be a symptom of your fuel pump struggling and overheating. Symptom 3. Stalling engine. Another alarming sign is your engine stalling, especially when you accelerate. This could mean your overheating fuel pump is not delivering the right fuel mix to your engine. Symptom 4. Overheated engine. Yes, a failing fuel pump can cause your engine to work harder, leading to overheating. Symptom 5. Loss of power. Lastly, if you experience a loss of power or your car struggles to reach high speeds, it could be due to inadequate fuel delivery from an overheating pump. Causes of fuel pump overheating. Why does a fuel pump overheat? There are several reasons. Let's explore them. Running on low fuel. Running your car on a nearly empty tank, less than a quarter full, can lead to overheating. Clogged fuel pump system. A clogged system restricts fuel flow, causing the pump to work harder and overheat. Clogged sock intake. This can also lead to inadequate fuel flow and overheating. Air in the system. Air entering your fuel pump system disrupts its operation, leading to overheating. Inability to pick up fuel. If the pump struggles to pick up fuel, it can overheat due to excessive strain. Diagnosing a bad fuel pump. Will a bad fuel pump throw a code? Absolutely. A failing fuel pump often triggers a P0087 code, indicating low fuel pressure. This also activates the check engine light. Fuel pump failure while driving. What if your fuel pump fails while driving? It's rare in modern vehicles, but not impossible. You might experience power loss, jerking, or sudden speed fluctuations. The impact varies based on your vehicle type, from stalling to complete engine shutdown. Intermittent functioning of a bad fuel pump. Can a bad fuel pump work sometimes? Yes, it can. But don't be misled. Intermittent functioning often leads to power loss, engine malfunctions, and starting difficulties. In summary, fuel pump overheating is a serious issue. It can lead to increased pump temperature, power loss, engine stalling, reduced fuel economy, and even engine overheating. Don't ignore these symptoms. A timely inspection can prevent a total breakdown or severe damage. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.